Oh my god, today was a long day. Thank God I am home. And I bet he has made some really good food. I really love his cooking. Alright, honey, I am. What the hell? The house hasn't been cleaned up. I don't smell dinner. What the hell he has been doing? Honey, where are you? Hmm? He's not in the kitchen. And my god, what a mess. I'm going to have to punish him for this. He's not in the living room, or the bathroom, or the basement. He must be in the bedroom. Oh, he's sleeping. He actually looks adorable, but unfortunately, I'm going to have to wake him up. Good evening, lazy boy. Did you have a nice nap? What I've been doing all day? I go to work and make a living to support us both, and you are just lying in bed all day? Yeah, you better be sorry. The house is a complete mess and dinner isn't ready. I don't ask much of you. All I ask is that you keep the house clean and have dinner ready for me when I'm back from work. After all, I do provide for you. Oh, yeah. You are going to be punished, but I'm starving right now, so go make some dinner. Oh, wait a minute. Your clothes are soaked. Are you okay? Wait, let me feel your forehead. Oh my god, you are burning up. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, baby boy. No, it's not okay. I was way too rude to you. I didn't realize you were sick. Why didn't you text me? You could barely get out of bed? Oh, you poor thing. Can I hug you? Well, technically, I don't need your permission since you are mine, but it's time for me to take care of you. No, don't move. Get back on the bed, sweetheart. You need to rest. I would be terrible if I made you cook dinner for me in this condition. You are my baby boy, and when you are not feeling well, it's my responsibility to take care of you. I can make dinner and clean. You just need to relax. Here, I'm going to get you some water and medicine. Okay, baby boy? Good. Now you better still be in bed when I come back. Or maybe I will have to punish you, sweetheart. Alright, I'm going to set this on the nightstand here. You should take it, okay, baby? Good boy. You know, I do feel bad about getting mad at you, sweetheart. I know you say it's okay, but I still feel bad. Hmm? What? You want to make dinner? No, darling, stay in bed. Baby, stay in bed. You are not going anywhere. If I have to tie you to the bed, I will. Good. You are so sweet wanting to make me dinner. But look at you. You are so sick right now that your entire body is soaked. You could barely stand up earlier. Did you take your temperature? 102? Baby, if it gets any higher, we might have to take you to a doctor or even the hospital. Yes, I'm serious now. Relax, and I will come in soon with some soup for you, okay, baby? Good. Hey, sweetheart, I have got some soup for you. Hmm? What was that? You want me to play with your hair? Oh, you are so cute. Of course I will, sweetie. Let me just get next to you. Does that feel good, sweetie? Good. I'm glad. You know, I'm really happy to have you. You are so sweet and caring. I shouldn't have assumed you were being lazy. You are my good boy. You had never bail on your responsibilities unless something was wrong. I remember when we first met, I knew I wanted you then and there. You were pretty shy and scared, but you warmed up to me pretty quickly. You started to trust me and you began to love me. Of course, I knew you loved me. I could see you blush when I talked to you. You really are too cute. Of course, now I can't really tell you if you are blushing or just from being so sick right now. Okay, I'm guessing it's mostly from the illness right now, but I hope that it's also you blushing. You are very cute, baby. Thank you for all you do for me. You always cook the best. I know you were a bit shy about your cooking at first, but I will have you know you are an amazing cook. Oh no, dear. Do not apologize for not being able to cook today. You are sick right now. You need to rest. No, no, shh. You will not speak ill of yourself. I guess you are ill, but that's beside the point. You are everything to me, darling. Yes, you are. I will not let you speak badly of yourself. You are mine after all, and I don't like when people insult what's mine. Oh, yeah, you are not exempt from that, dear. Are you going to be a good boy for me and not speak harshly of yourself? Good boy. Now just relax here. I will play with your hair for a bit longer. Okay, sweetie? You are sleepy? That's okay. In fact, it's what you need. Go to sleep, sweetheart. I will be here for you tomorrow morning. Okay? That's good. Sweet dreams. I love you. And now it's time to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, then this Andre gonna. You know what I will do, right? So, like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.